Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm really excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all this SHO. So that's Smart Home and Office. It's a 2-camera setup with 6 months free of cloud storage. So it's a security system with PoE cameras, no local recording. So it's a lot safer if somebody would break in your house or your house burns down. It's all saved to the cloud. Again, it comes with 6 months. It's 2 cameras. SHO is the brand. You can buy this on Amazon. They did send me this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. That being said, go ahead, look in the video description below. There'll be a link. It can take you right to Amazon. You can read reviews, see the most current price, that sort of thing. Go ahead, check it out. You won't regret it. Here's how it comes packaged to you. They sent it to me straight in the retail box with the shipping label on the front that I'm going to keep covered. And then you can see the branding on the side. Now this is super similar to Zomoto. So I can't help but think they're related brands, but I'm not positive. Because that being said, after your 6 months of cloud service runs out in here, you can sign up for Zomoto's cloud service. It's roughly $5 a month, but they have some other premium packages. So there's some relationship between the two companies. This is exactly how their packaging looks too. It just has their blue color. So I'm really excited to get this thing open. So without anything else to do, let's go ahead and open it up. So here is what we have right out of the box. First thing we have, your instruction guide. We definitely want to keep this as a great little quick start guide to figure out how to set up and connect the system. Basically, we have this repeater and we just plug it right into our wireless router. And then you'll plug in the 2 cameras into the unit, but we'll go ahead, we'll look at it. Showing you how to mount your cameras, that sort of thing, in recording and viewing options. So it works with Google Play and the App Store on iOS. You can go ahead and download the SHO app as well too. So we'll go ahead, we'll get all that stuff set up. Cool little protected by sticker. This is showing you enjoy your SHO products. So here's out 24/7 customer service. It all records to the cloud, that sort of thing. So you can log on, check your orders, that sort of thing, and leave them a product review if you're happy. So just want to keep that card there. But now to the product themselves. Got the 2 cameras. We got 2 cables that I believe are 2 different lengths. We'll confirm. This box is really cool. So here it is. So this can support up to 8 cameras. Looks really neat. And it's got your LAN, so you can just plug it right into your router. They do give you a cable to do that, which is really nice. I believe that's a Cat 5e cable. And I hear some, there they are. Here are your screws to actually mount the cameras as well. So really a neat setup. You get a lot with it. Again, it's nice you have 8 cameras so you could add some more in the future. Let's go ahead and look at a camera. Again, these almost look identical to the Zomoto ones I have. Really similar form factor and everything. So that's really neat. So you can see them right there. The black color is really sharp. They are PoE, but that being said, it does require a special cable. It's got your RJ45 end on one side, which is your typical, you can see that right there, your typical patch cord computer cable. So it is PoE, but it's not true PoE in the sense that you have this on both sides to plug in the RJ45s. You actually have a micro USB on the other end. So it is a special cable. That being said, if you need an extra length, you can just go ahead and then buy a coupler, a cat coupler right here for your category cable, and then you could expand it on this end all the way to the device, because this still has the category cable connector right there. So that being said, it's not the end of the world. You just need to make sure you have this micro USB end to plug into each camera. So this is really neat. We'll look at the other camera too, but identical to the last one. Really simple, easy to use. This full swivel, you can really position this camera any way you want. It all rotates. So any angle you have to encounter, you can do it with this, and they're very wide angle. So it's really cool, really exciting stuff. Excited to go ahead. Now we'll fire up this unit and then we'll look at the app and see how everything works. All right, so I went upstairs, plugged everything in. That's where my router is. We'll actually hopefully be able to spy on my dog if everything works. So I plugged both cameras in. Make sure you plug them in snug and that everything's connected properly. Really easy, straightforward. Plug the cameras into the repeater, plug the repeater into your router. That's it, you're good to go. Now we gotta head over to your App Store on your iOS device or your Google Play Store on your Android device and search for the SHO app. So SHO app, it's probably the 4th one down. It should be in the major results. Look for the orange logo. Their branding's really easy to find. Really helpful just to have that. So go ahead, download it. It'll be on your device like this. And then it'll prompt you to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. What I figured out is if you have a Zomoto account already, you don't need to sign up again. It won't even let you. You just use that account, which is really cool. So again, there is a connection and a relationship between SHO and Zomoto, which I'm excited about because I love Zomoto products, and now I'm a huge fan already of the SHO products, and I haven't even tried it yet. So go ahead and log in with your credentials. It'll take you to your home page on the app, which is awesome. So I can already see, all my Zomoto devices, which is cool. And then those two black cameras are the two new cameras I just plugged in. So they all are under one app, which is really, really neat. So really excited about this. Let's go ahead and see what it's like. So since I know how to use this app already, I'll just kind of walk you through the process. This instruction guide's really helpful too. But if your cameras don't show up automatically, you have to go hit the add button, power on all your devices, and start installation. Then they might prompt you to scan the QR code on here, and then you just follow the instructions to complete the setup. It's really easy and straightforward. So that's that. So we want to cancel since they're already, or we want to quit since they're already set up. So let's go ahead and just look at the live view. Here's one of them. You can see my dog snoozing on the couch. He's so cute, using the pillow like a normal human. So this is really cool. So again, if you're not familiar with this app, I'll just kind of walk you through. There's the record button, so I'm recording footage right now. I'll stop that. And then it saves it up here, and then you can download it if you want. So if I hit the download's complete. You can play it back, or you can delete it. I can take a screenshot, same thing, then you go up to the screenshot, and you can download it. It'll look just like that. Or you can go back to your live view. So this does not have two-way audio or microphone, so you cannot use that. Now let's go look at the other camera. Same thing. So that one's a little lower. You can still see him really clearly snoozing. But look at how good the quality is. This is awesome. So I love these products. SHO is going to have a great future ahead too. Really cool. So there's some settings too if you want to change some areas. I'll kind of walk you through that too. So we saw everything on the other app. So here's screen inverted, on or off if you want to change that. Sharing management. Do you want to share this with anybody? You can add them right here, email or via contact. Do you want to do motion detection? So do you want it to be certain areas within this you can drag and drop around of where you want the motion detected? We'll leave it the whole area for now, but say you just know that car's coming out of your driveway or something you never want to see the motion or the motion alerts there. You don't have to. Here's the night vision. So we can have always off, auto, or always on. So let's see. If I do always on, let's see what it looks like. So you can see the night vision. Look at how clear it is. It's really amazing. So really impressed with that. That's so cool. We'll go back. Do auto. I like auto. It's really good. So you can leave it just as it is sensitivity-wise. And then here's cloud service. So this comes with 6 months of free cloud service. So you can start your free trial and you can subscribe if you want. They give you a code in the Amazon picture to set it up. So really cool. You might only want to do 30 days too because you either want to just continue to use the payment plan. So again, they have a couple different options. It does use Zomoto's services, which is $4.99 for 7 days of recorded footage, and I believe $10 for 30 days. But look online to make sure you get the most accurate pricing. So there's activation codes and vouchers. That's what you want to use for this. And I believe currently at the start of this video, it's FISH, F-I-S-H 2C02. But that may change, so don't quote me on that. But they will keep you up to date on Amazon for the product for however long they offer you the code. Right now, it is 6 months. And lastly, just want to let you guys know, if you don't want to pay monthly, you don't have to. They actually recommend, their customer support recommends a Zomoto 1080p 8-channel NVR to use. So if your 6-month service runs out and you don't want to continue that service, you don't have to. You can buy a Zomoto NVR. I'll link that in this video below too, in the video description, so you can go ahead and check that out because maybe you just want to go ahead and buy that too and maybe pick up a couple more cameras, that sort of thing. Or honestly, I'm not even using anything right now. So if you're okay not having the footage saved, you can just use it to always just view your house in real time from the app. So you have a couple different options there. The cloud service is nice. A lot of times the security experts would say that it's better to have it stored in the cloud, so in case your house is burned down or the off chance somebody comes in and robs you and then they find your NVR system and they take it, well then you can't see what happened. So pros and cons, it's kind of up to you, but really happy with this. This app is awesome as always. So you have a couple of different modes. I always stay in the home mode, but you can configure your devices accordingly to whatever you want, and then you can edit them. You can view them all individually or together. So it's just really a great app. It'll show you events, and that's going to mix into my Zomoto history as well. So there's the cloud, moments, public streams, that sort of thing, deals and shopping within the app, and then your own personal profile as well. So it's really a great app. Again, it's identical to the Zomoto app. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. This is a great product. Let's go ahead. Let's look back in. I thought I heard my dog moving, but he's still sound asleep up there. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate you watching. Really great product. Really happy with it. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Love to interact with you guys below. Check out my Zomoto videos as well if you haven't seen those yet to see some other options and offerings they have with this very similar interface. So it's really great having you guys here. Go ahead, hit the like button, hit that sub button, and subscribe to my newsletter as well. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.